pinch of sugar, a drop of rain. Love in the kitchen once again. Golden butter melting free. This is home, just you and me. The kettle hums, the table set, a kind of magic we won't forget. Cinnamon whispers in the air, a love so sweet beyond compare. Stirring dreams in every bite, mixing hope with every light. Our love's a recipe divine, cooking hearts worth yours and mine. The flower dances, the dough takes form. Moments like this keep us warm.